So Amazon now has this wonderfully amazing Amazon Basics microwave. Guys, this is insanity. All right, so this is a $60 microwave. Look at this bad boy. Look at this thing. It has a talk to Alexa button. All right, so now it's easier to defrost veggies. Guys, I'm going to demonstrate it's actually harder. Okay, I'm going to demonstrate. It's easier to defrost vegetables, make popcorn, cook potatoes, and reheat rice if our cooking wasn't already dumbed down to insanely stupid proportions. All right, with an Echo device not included. Of course, you can buy it with an Echo device for, $80. With an Echo device, quick cook voice presets and simplified keypad lets you just ask Alexa. Guys, did you guys know you needed a simplified keyboard for your microwave? Were you aware of this, people? Were you aware of your need to simplify your keypad on your microwave? Quote, automatically reorder popcorn when you're running low and save 10% on popcorn orders enabled by Amazon Dash replacement technology. That's all I need, my microwave to be ordering more popcorn for me. By the way, guys, do not buy microwave popcorn. That stuff is one of the most toxic substances you can put in your body. You want popcorn? Go buy real popcorn, throw it in a pan with some coconut oil, and cook it. Yes, it works. It's just as fast, by the way, and just as good. The compact size saves kitchen space, plus 10 power levels, a kitchen timer, a child lock, and a turntable. Alexa is always getting smarter and adding new presets. External dimensions, width, heights. Let's see, it's 17 inches by 10 inches by 14 inches. Turntable is 10 inches in diameter. And maximum popcorn bag size is 3 ounces. That's definitely interesting. Oh, by the way, for you guys that are interested in this, I'm going to go ahead and drop the link for that in Amazon into the chat there. And I'm just so curious, what does a non-Alexa enabled microwave cost these days? Even on Amazon. Let's see. No, we don't want the Amazon Basics. Some couple $100. I just want a simple countertop microwave. Let me see here. Let's go ahead and price low to high on my microwaves. I mean, I can buy a standard. In fact, I can buy a Hamilton Beach microwave that's otherwise similarly compatible for $42, $48. Let's see. Yeah. I mean, they're pretty cheap. They're pretty cheap indeed. Pretty cheap indeed. All right, but let's go ahead and have a look. Okay, start microwaving with Alexa. Alexa, add 30 seconds to the microwave. Alexa, stop the microwave. Alexa, reheat 10 ounces of rice. Alexa, microwave 8 ounces of frozen vegetables. Oh, God. All right, look at this. Alexa, reheat 1 cup of coffee. Woo! Look at this. We have the Add Alexa button. You literally put the food in there. You push the Ask Alexa button, and then you have to talk to your Alexa device. Okay? Oh, look at these happy couples over here eating their popcorn, playing their video games. The microwave is going on in the background. See that bad boy? Auto popcorn replenishment, man. Look at this. Sign up to automatically reorder popcorn and save 10% on all popcorn items. Choose from select popcorn brands in the Alexa app. Alexa, microwave popcorn. What's the weight of the popcorn? Oh, your microwave's going to ask you, do you guys know the weight of your flipping popcorn? Oh, my golly. Oh, my golly. Your microwave's going to ask you how heavy the popcorn is? I don't have a clue. I don't have a clue. Oh, my God. Oh, my God. This is insanity. This is insanity. This is so stinking crazy. Holy cow, so crazy. Guys, we do not need to be talking to our microwaves. We don't need to talk to our microwaves. We do not need our microwaves asking us questions about what we just put into it, particularly when it's being stored on Amazon servers. For crying out loud. Amazon microwave popcorn. How heavy is the popcorn? I haven't a clue. You're the smart microwave. You figure it out. Holy criminy, people. Holy criminy. It's getting hot back here in hell. Maybe we'll just start microwaving ourselves. For crying out loud, do we need this type of stupid technology? Holy crap. All right, so just for the fun of it, guys, I brought up here with me a microwave. I got a microwave, okay? Now, if I wanted to cook something in this microwave, guys, really, if I want to cook something, let me make my camera a little bit bigger for you guys here. I mean, this is an important demonstration. All right, so here we are. I have a microwave, guys. Now, of course, your Alexa microwave does not grab this stuff from the shelf and put it in. So you literally have to come over to the microwave, open it up, put some food in it, close the door. Now, at this point, you have a couple options. Now, I timed this for dinner today because I actually cooked a few leftovers. And I actually timed this, and I found out that I could close the thing, push the reheat and start button, and it just went. It didn't take a lot of time. I didn't have to push the start button and say, Alexa, start the microwave and order me some unicorn meat. Okay, confirm. I didn't have to come over here, close the thing, push a button, and then talk to some Alexa-powered device. I didn't really have to think too hard about what I put in there. I mean, if I throw in a bag of popcorn, boom, boom, done. I'm done. Okay, there is. Look at this. Okay, this is the keypad that needed simplified, people. I mean, look at this complicated keypad. We have 2 rows of stuff. I have popcorn, beverage, pizza, potato, reheat, and frozen dinner. Okay, and then I have a standard grid, which is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 0, a power button, and a reset button. Okay, then under that, I have 3 more buttons: timer, cook, and clock. And then I have 2 buttons under that: defrost by weight and speed defrost. And then 1 final button at the very bottom that says start. Okay, this is not complicated to open this up, which I already have to do because this device does not fill your microwave. Put my item in there, close it, and then I gotta go, how do I run a microwave? We are getting to the point where we can't run microwaves anymore, people. So now I have to close the microwave. And then I have to push buttons for the time? What type of archaic crap is this? Oh my God. Oh my God. This is so complicated. Holy crap, this is complicated, guys. I just put it in, close it, and then I gotta push more than 1 button, and then I have to talk? Oh my God, it won't listen to my talking. Oh my God. I don't know how to use a microwave anymore, people. I've lost my mind. We are becoming so dumb, we cannot even microwave food anymore. We're going to put a coffee cup in there and say, Alexa, heat up a coffee cup. It's going to say how big. We're going, I haven't a clue. Okay, I used to work at Burger King decades ago, and when someone came in and said, hey, how big is the small cup? We said, our small is 12 ounces, our medium is 16 ounces, and our large is 22, which is quite hilarious because a small in most places right now is 22 ounces, okay? So literally, okay? Let me put that microwave down. It's actually a little heavy. So, oh my God, people. We cannot even do, like, we're going to ask our microwave to heat up some water. It's going to say how much water. We're like, I don't know. It's a coffee mug, man. How big is the coffee cup? I haven't a clue. And then we're going to sit here and get into a 5-minute discussion with our microwave when I could have just put the thing in there, went, boom, start, and done. Or, hey, if you got the beverage button like I do, push the beverage button and start. This is not complicated, people. If you need a microwave like this stupid Alexa-powered microwave to do things, I feel really sorry about the future generation in this country. I am telling you what. Oh, and then, of course, we get all this stuff. Ooh, all the basics. 10 power levels, a kitchen timer, a child lock, and a turntable so you can cook all kinds of food. This reminds me of the oatmeal, talking about the printers are sent here from hell. Ooh, shiny faces. It has blinking LEDs. Woohoo! It's a microwave in 2018. I hope it has a turntable. Oh my God. Oh my God. Simple setup. Yeah. Simple setup. You plug it in, you connect to the internet with the Alexa app, and then you just ask your Echo device to start microwaving. Dude, they have to add another step because I didn't see anything in these simple instructions about putting the food in the microwave. You're going to set the food by the microwave and the thing's not going to cook. And you'll be like, it just doesn't work. It doesn't work, people. I don't know. I can't get it. Comparison chart. Okay, this comparison chart's just beautiful. Look at this bad boy. These are all similar. Okay, you got the Amazon Basic. You got the Westinghouse microwave. I mean, these two are the same price. Look, compare these two. Compare these two. All right, the price. $59.99, $59.99, $89.99, $19. Whoa, why are these two so expensive? Oh, these two are the same dimensions. 0.7 cubic foot with 700 watt power. This is a 900 watt power, 0.9 cubic foot. This is 1100 watt power, 0.1 cubic foot. This one's the worst deal, guys. This has the least wattage per cubic foot. Holy crap. Oh, look at this. Hands-free voice control. Yeah, Amazon Basic Microwaves got it, yo. Automatically reorder popcorn. Oh my God! They gave us a chart for automatically reordering popcorn. Woohoo! The microwave reorders popcorn. I'm buying it, baby. I'm buying it. Oh, it has an Ask Alexa button. Meh, meh, meh. Alexa, cook lamb chops. Oh, presets. Voice controlled. 24 plus and growing. Voice controls. Oh, look at these keypads. Oh, how archaic. Keypad controls on my microwave. Oh my God. Turntable. They all have a turntable. Whoa, I was really concerned. They all have a child lock. All right. My microwave here does not have a child lock. I mean, I'm telling you. Kitchen timer. Is there a microwave that is like my grandmother's microwave from 1985 had a kitchen timer, people? Do we really need this? I mean, but they're missing one. Has a plug. Technical details. Choose from 10 power levels. Look at this. Oh, so I have these defrost by wait or time. Okay, so I have this button, this button, this button. I have this one. Oh, the microwave popcorn button, which I have. Oh, the Ask Alexa button, the start and the pause. Hey, Alexa, order unicorn meat. Confirm.